Most diagnostic scanners just tell you what broke. This one comes with a built-in oscilloscope, so you can actually see why it broke. I'm Oscar from Locksmith Keyless. Let's review the Autel MaxiSys MS919S2. This tool, it's a full diagnostic platform engineered for master techs and mobile programmers taking on complex modern vehicles. You get OE-level access for deep module programming, coding, and bi-directional controls. Plus, that MaxiFlash VCMI2 gives you a built-in scope, multimeter, waveform generator, and CAN bus inspector in a single hardware unit. One of the best features is the dynamic topology mapping. Instead of hunting through endless submenus, you see the entire network architecture on one screen, color-coded so you instantly spot where the communication break is happening. The downside? It's a serious investment. If you're only pulling codes or doing resets, it's overkill. But for high-volume shops or mobile techs handling complex diagnostics, it can pay for itself and save time. Get yours with full support at locksmithkeyless.com.